So as I said, if selling out of the money is a better idea, then buying an out of the money cannot be a better idea. So if you want to buy, most people tend to look at a lower absolute number and say this option is cheap and therefore I will buy. But if you're a company insider, then it makes sense to buy out of the monies because you know you're going to change the price by a huge amount and change the IVs by a huge amount. So unless you're a company insider who knows exactly what's going to happen, but for a pure direction, you are probably better off buying as close to at the monies as possible and then to hedge some of it, selling deep out of the monies. But buying deep out of the monies most of the time will not yield you result unless you go on the right side of the trade in terms of what the company insiders are doing.